Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the application of the derivative given an area bounded by curves y equal to x to the power of 2 and y equal to the square root of x and an inscribed square. So for the area of the square in here, so this is about the graph between y equal to the square root of x and y equal to the x to the power of 2. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. If we look carefully about the square in here, this square they got about the largest diagonal between this point to this point. So it means they want to find about the critical point of the square root of x minus x squared in here. So we can find the largest diagonal of this square in here. So we got about square root of x minus x squared, and this is the function f of x. So we need to find first the derivative of the function in here. So you got about 1 over 2 multiplied with the square root of x minus 2x. So we put first the derivative of the function f of x equals to 0. So we put this one equal to 0 in here. So we put about the square root of x and number 2 on the right. So we got about 1 over 4 x multiplied with the square root of x. This one you got about x to the power of 3 over 2. So to find the value of x in here, we put about the root of 3 over 2 of 1 over 4 equal to x. Later that, we put this value in here back to this f of x. So we can get about the diagonal of this triangle in here. So we got about, so you got about 3 over 4 of the root of 1 over 4 minus the cubic root of 1 over 4. So we just calculate about this diagonal of this one in here. So we know that two diagonal they have the square in here, the right triangle in here. So we want to calculate the area of this square, so we just calculate about one area of this right triangle. Later that we multiply with number 4. So you can get about the area of the square in here. So we have this one, we divide by 2. This means we got about 3 over 4, 1 over 4 minus the cubic root of 1 over 4 divided by 2. because this point is about the center of this diagonal of the square. That's why we need to divide by 2. This diagonal in here is will the same length. So if we want to find the area of this right triangle, we put the square in here. Later that we need to divide by 2 because that's about the triangle. So we multiply with 1/2. This is about the area of one right triangle. So we want to find the square, so we multiply with number 4. And now we can get the final answer in here. This is approximately about, that's about 0, 1, 1, 6. So this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.